Okay, this is still working with proofs in trigonometric proofs in section 4.2 in Math C30. And here we're going to look at a final proof that I didn't get to last time. We're going to look at trying to prove that tan theta plus cos theta over 1 plus sine is equal to secant theta. Now, how this one would work would be you'd have to use the simple fact that you want to, and then it's the 7th hint that they give you in the section 4.2. Sometimes when it seems really difficult, the best thing to do is just convert all the trigonometric ratios into sine and cosine and then reduce them down. So I'm going to work with the right side this time because it's more complex. That's another hint that they give you. So leave the left side as secant theta and convert tan into its sine and cosine form using the quotient identity. So that would be sine theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta plus here cos theta, it's already in that form, plus 1 over sine theta. So if I want to take this problem, now I simply have to add these two together by using common denominators. So the common denominator for both is the multiplication of cos theta times 1 plus sine theta. So what's missing here on the top? This one has cos, but it doesn't have this one. So take sine theta and multiply it by the missing 1 plus sine theta. Then the plus sign. This one has the 1 plus sine theta, but it doesn't have the cos. So take the cosine theta and multiply it by another cosine theta. Okay, so then we can simplify this here one still on top. So that would be sine theta plus sine squared theta plus cos squared theta over cos theta times 1 plus sine theta. Okay, we know that the Pythagorean identity tells us that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. So we'll use that, and we'll get sine theta plus 1 over cos theta times 1 plus sine theta. So we can see that there's a common factor both on top and bottom here. These are equal. This would be the same as saying 1 plus sine theta or sine theta plus 1. They're equal. So those cancel out, giving us 1 over cos theta. That leads us to our final use of an identity. We know that 1 over cos theta by a reciprocal identity is equal to secant theta. So that's a reciprocal identity. Now sometimes I like to, when I first begin working in this area, sometimes I like to mention where I use the reciprocal. So here I could say Pythagorean, and here I can say reciprocal. Okay, so sometimes I put that in there to remind myself as I'm working through it which ones I use in case I make a mistake and have to start over, which does commonly happen in this area at times. Okay, in our next tutorials we'll be looking at section 4.3, and that's, good luck with the proofs by the way, that's the section that deals with reduction and cofunction identities.